What makes home improvement and tools a top dropshipping niche in 2024? During the past few years, the home improvement market has become one of the best dropshipping niches, surpassing $762.9 billion. DIY and renovation projects are increasing as people are more willing to invest their time and energy into their homes. Doing so entails putting up new decorations, improving existing aspects of our home, or adding new ones. Plus, people will continuously keep making changes to their living spaces. As a result, the home improvement and tools niche is enormous. What's more, the competition isn't too dense. Thus, as the home improvements and tools niche has less competition, it's easier to win our customers. And as the products are more cost-effective than jewelry or furniture, seller can aim for a higher sales volume. Here are some curated dropshipping products in the home improvement and tools niche that sellers can consider. Cabinet wall stickers, rotating kitchen faucet, cordless power drill, matte black front door handle, bathroom light fixture, outlet shelf wall holder, mop and broom holder, door draft stopper,